What's going on, everybody? Welcome back to my YouTube channel. We have this nice and beautiful question on the board that says, if A and B are integers, find the values of A plus B, given that 1 all over A plus 1 all over B is equal to 1 all over 19. Well, our first step will be for us to combine the fraction on the left. So we take the LCM. What is the LCM of A and B? That will be AB. So AB divided by A, we have B. So B times 1 is B, plus AB divided by B, we have A. So A times 1 is A. And this is equal to 1 all over 19. Now, our next step will be for us to cross multiply. So we cross multiply. Now, AB times 1, we have AB to be equal to, now 19 multiplies this numerator. That means 19 times B plus A. Now, let's open up the brackets. So we have AB to be equal to 19 times B, we have 19B, plus 19 times A, we have 19A. Now, our next step will be for us to move what we have on the right-hand side to the left. So we have AB here on the left. As 19B crosses to the left, it becomes minus 19B. And as 19A crosses to the left, it becomes minus 19A. This is equal to 0. Now, to factor an expression like this, we need a constant term. And how do we get that constant term? It will be 19 times 19, which gives 19 squared. So we're going to be adding 19 squared to both sides of the equation. So we have AB minus 19B minus 19A. Now add the constant term plus 19 squared to be equal to 0 plus 19 squared. Now let's factor the left-hand side. So B is common, so we can factor out B. Open bracket. AB divided by B, we have A, minus 19B divided by B, we have 19, minus 19 is common, so we can factor out 19. So 19A divided by 19, we have A. Now, minus times plus is minus. So 19 squared divided by 19 is 19. And this is equal to 0 plus 19 squared is 361. And now notice that A minus 19 is common. So we can factor out A minus 19. And then open brackets. Now here, B remains, minus here, 19 remains. And this is equal to 361. And since A and B are integers, that means A minus 19 and B minus 19 must be a pair of integer factors of 361. What that means is A minus 19 and B minus 19 must be a pair of integer factors of 361. So what are the integer factors of 361? We have 1 times 361, that is 1, or we have 19 times 19, which gives 361. And since our original equation, which is 1 all over A plus 1 all over B equal to 1 all over 19 is symmetric, that means swapping A and B doesn't change the equation. We only need to consider the positive factors of 361. So let's solve these two cases one after the other. So we start with case 1. So for the case 1, our A minus 19 is equal to 1. Then our B minus 19, which is B minus 19, is equal to 361. So from here, our A will be, as negative 19 crosses, it becomes 1 plus 19, which results to 20. And now for B, as negative 19 crosses, we have B to be equal to 361 plus 19, which is equal to 380. So our A plus B, which the question requires, will be 20 plus 380, which is equal to 400. So this is a value for A plus B for our first case. Now we move on to our second case. Now for our second case, let's call this case 2. We have A minus 19 to be equal to 19 and B minus 19, which is this, to be equal to 19. When I move negative 19 to the right, that gives me A to be equal to 19 plus 19, which gives 38. Then for B, B will be equal to, when I move negative 19 to the right, I have 19. Then this becomes plus 19 equals to 38. Now we're told to find A plus B. So A plus B will be 38 plus 38, which gives 76. So we've got two values for A plus B, which are, we have 400 for the first case when A and B are not equal, while we got 76 when A and B are equal. Well, feel free to share your ideas in the comment section below. And if you enjoyed this video and have learned something from this video, go ahead and give this video a thumbs up. Subscribe if you haven't. Turn on the notification bell so you don't miss my upcoming videos. And like I always say, until next time, take care.